इस शो की यूएसपी ये है कि हमने आज तक एक भी टिकट इस शो की, इस प्ले की करंट में नहीं बेची, सब एडवांस में फुल हो जाता है।
वाओ, आई एम सो प्राउड ऑफ यू। Finally here, it's raining cats and dogs. I'm backstage and look who I met. Oh my god.
Hello.
Rakesh Bedi sir is with me. सर जी, मेरा वो मतलब I'm still panting. मेरा वो मतलब नहीं था प्ले। आप कितने सालों से करते आ रहे हैं?
इसको एग्जैक्टली 3.5 साल के आसपास हो गए और काफ़ी शो कर चुके हैं इसके और आज भी देखिए एकदम हाउसफुल है शो है।
जी।
इस शो की यूएसपी ये है कि हमने आज तक एक भी टिकट इस शो की, इस प्ले की करंट में नहीं बेची, सब एडवांस में फुल हो जाता है।
वाओ, आई एम सो प्राउड ऑफ यू। आपने एक और प्ले लिखा है, मैंने उस दिन आपके इंस्टाग्राम पे देखा, जब वी सेपरेटेड, उसके बारे में भी थोड़ा प्लीज बताइए।
हाँ, वो भी मैंने लिखा है क्योंकि वो आजकल डाइवोर्स रेट इतने बढ़ गए हैं, तो उसको दिमाग में रखकर मैंने लिखा है कि जब आजकल लड़कियां और आदमी कपल्स अकेले रहते हैं और साथ में कोई भी नहीं है, बड़ा कोई भी नहीं, उसके बावजूद डिवोर्स रेट इतना बढ़ गया।
राइट।
पहले तो ससुर भी था, सास भी थी, दहेज भी था, ननन भी थी, जॉइंट फैमिली भी थी। अब अकेले होने के बाद भी डाइवोर्स ज़्यादा बढ़ गए। तो ये मेरा उस टेक है उस प्ले का।
तो सर जी, आपने इंटरनेशनली भी ये प्ले परफॉर्म किया है?
जी।
कहाँ पे?
इसके हमने यूएसए में 40 दिन में 23 शो किए थे in 23 different cities.
My God.
And it was a big hit over there. All shows
I'm
were
sure.
houseful. And then we have done in Singapore, we have done in Dubai, we have done where else? Kenya, अभी फिर ऑस्ट्रेलिया, न्यूजीलैंड, अभी फिर से प्लान बन रहा है।
इंग्लैंड बाकी है।
इंग्लैंड बाकी है। बहुत सारे देश बाकी हैं अभी तो।
हाँ, ओके। और सर जी, मुझे आपसे पूछना है, जो ऑडियंस है उनका रिएक्शन क्या रहा है?
एकदम स्तब्ध हो जाते हैं, स्पेल बाउंड हो जाते हैं, क्योंकि बहुत अच्छी एक स्क्रिप्ट है ये वो स्क्रिप्ट है कि लाइफ में कभी भी गिव अप नहीं करना चाहिए एक रिलेशनशिप को।
मैं सही बोलूं,
हाँ, मैं
लंदन में थी तब से पढ़ते आ रही हूँ, लेकिन मैंने कभी भी पूरा आर्टिकल नहीं पढ़ा है क्योंकि मुझे प्ले देखना था, मुझे जानना नहीं था प्ले किस बारे में। और मैंने आपको श्रीमान श्रीमती के टाइम से देखा है एंड आई एम लाइक दिलरुबा सॉरी, आप बोल रहे थे हाँ प्ले के बारे में।
तो वो बस वो इसका टेक है कि
ऑडियंस का रिएक्शन,
कि अगर आपका जो फर्स्ट लव होता है वो जिंदगी से कभी गायब नहीं होता है।
एब्सोल्युटली।
वो चिंगारी जो है किसी वक्त भी इग्नाइट हो सकती है दोबारा, और यही इस प्ले का थीम है कि आदमी किसी भी उम्र में हो, लेकिन उसका फर्स्ट लव जो है अगर वो उसके सामने आ जाए
जी,
तो फिर वो घूम फिर के उन्हीं गलियों में पहुंच जाता है, एकदम से मेमोरी लेन्स में वहीं चला जाता है जहाँ से शुरू हुआ था।
और नीना गुप्ता जी, अनुपम खेर सीजन्ड कलाकार हैं स्टेज के, तो आई कांट वेट टू सी दिस प्ले। थैंक यू
ओके जी,
फॉर लेटिंग मी लिसन पीपल।
आपको भी पता है कि आपको ये एक टिकट मिली है, कितनी मुश्किल से मिली।
आई हैड बुक 3 tickets but my brother decided to come last minute and sir arranged for 1, लेकिन बहुत पापड़ बेलने पड़े। थैंक यू सर जी। ऑडियंस के लिए मैसेज?
ऑडियंस के लिए मैसेज यही है कि थिएटर एक बहुत कमाल की आर्ट है, इसको हमेशा पैटर्नाइज कीजिए, देखते रहिए। और थिएटर में एक कमाल की बात ये होती है कि हर प्ले कोई ना कोई मैसेज ज़रूर देता है और अच्छा ही मैसेज देता है। बल्कि मैं कहूँगा थिएटर एक ऐसी एक आर्ट फॉर्म है जो एक आईना है और समाज की शक्ल दिखाता है जी। तो इसमें जब भी आप प्ले देखते हैं तो आपको अपनी शक्ल नजर आती है ऑडियंस की जी।
मैं सिंधी थिएटर, सिंधी प्लेस बहुत ज़्यादा जाती रहती हूँ और उनकी बहुत हालत ख़राब है, लेकिन आई थिंक जितना हम सपोर्ट करेंगे उतना बेटर है। और आपके जैसा ही एम मुझे आगे चल के रखना है कि पूरा हाउसफुल ऑनलाइन हो। हम तो काफ़ी पीछे हैं सिंधी थिएटर में, बट आई एम सो प्राउड।
लगे रहिए।
थैंक यू सो मच। Ritu, how did you like the play?
It was really good.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was.
My God, I was sobbing like a baby.
Touched.
Touched, very touched. Like the dialogues were epic, and the performances, my God. He's not a very play person, and I'm glad he came today. Super glad. We are going backstage again to meet Rakesh sir, and let's
Backstage.
go. The hall was full. There were about 800 to 1000 seats, all sold out. Look at the hall behind me. Like, just look. Oh my God, what a play it was. What performances. I mean, they were on fire. Neena Gupta, my God, she's such a brilliant artist. I have no words for both of them. Anupam Kher, Neena Gupta, three of them, Rakesh Bedi. They were fire. But I think they were fire because the dialogues were fire. Of course, delivery also matters. My God, I loved the play. Like, if you haven't watched Mera Wo Matlab Nahi Tha, whenever it's playing in your city, please go watch it. Whenever they are performing in your city, I think we need to support arts and drama and culture and our Indian heritage of performing arts a little more, because I think with digital media this all has gone down. It truly has taken a beating. If you follow me on my Sindhi Film Festival channel, you know how much I love attending Sindhi plays when they are performed, and the amount of effort and hard work that has gone into this Hindi play Mera Wo Matlab Nahi Tha was visible in St. Andrews. Versus when I go to a Sindhi play, I can see how poor, how pathetic, how sad the situation is, and everything boils down to funds. I have always talked about that, and I just hope one day my work in some way or the other can facilitate a change, can help things get better, because I know of so many Sindhi stage artists who are so good, who are so fantastic, and they are no less than Anupam Kher and Neena Gupta. I know I'm making huge comparisons, but they are really brilliant. It's just that they've never got a platform like Anupam Kher and Neena Gupta have. I really feel bad for the state of Sindhi drama, Sindhi theatre, because Sindhi theatre has been the oldest theatre when it comes to stage performances. Let's just say I have been doing my research since many years now, and it was Sindhi theatre that was very vibrant 100 years ago from today. Anywho, I have been an ardent follower of Anupam Kher's the Kuch Bhi Ho Sakta Hai show he used to do when I was in London. I used to watch it on YouTube. And then Neena Gupta's career, I'm a massive fan of Neena and her daughter Masaba, and Rakesh Bedi. Oh my God, like, I have grown up watching Shriman Srimati because I was forced to study all throughout my childhood and be a straight A's student. I would get very little TV time, and this was one show that we used to religiously watch together as a family. So I remember Dilruba ji, I remember Prema ji, and it was like a dream come true for me. Rakesh Bedi is so kind. Thank you, Rakesh sir. You were amazing, and I'm super proud of you. I am feeling very lucky that I got to meet you, and I hope to see you soon again. After the play, we went to Poetry by Love and Cheesecake, and you can see from my smile, I was so happy to go there. Like, we truly had a blast. The play timings were funny, right? So they were from 8 to 10, 10:30. It was a 2-hour play, but like, we couldn't have proper dinner before because it was too early. We couldn't have proper dinner after because it was too late. So before the play started, we went to Candies for a little, you know, something. And after the play ended, we again went for a little something. I had the original New York cheesecake from Poetry by Love and Cheesecake. My God, that is what heaven is, you know, taste-wise. It was yum. It was yum. I had some poached eggs on a multigrain bread, and I was taken back to my Marks and Spencer. I just miss Waitrose and Marks and Spencer. Anywho, I hope you enjoyed this vlog. I thoroughly enjoyed making it. I have to be honest with you. I love watching plays. And it was amazing to meet Anupam sir and Rakesh sir and just get to see them perform and as real people. please do go watch the play, guys. It takes a lot of hard work to memorize the lines, and it was not pre-audio recorded, you know, that system also is available, but it wasn't. They were performing live and they were saying their dialogues in front of us, and I was like, oh my god, 2 hours, what hard work, you know, when it comes to memorization. Another big congratulations to the entire team of Mera Wo Matlab Nahi Tha, because it has been pouring cats and dogs. Like literally we were stranded in traffic both ways for so many hours, but the auditorium was jam-packed. Like it was house full, and I was very happy. So well done, and I hope to see Jab We Separated by Rakesh Bedi sir soon. I also feel we collectively need to support arts and performances, not just for the sake of, you know, supporting them, but also for our own sake. You know, I think we are getting closer and closer to becoming mad. We are all the time on our phones and losing our sanity. It just feels very good to not have your phone switched on for 2 hours and just enjoy what's going on in front of you. Oh, that reminds me, my god, what a bummer it was, you know. So Anupam Kher, in the middle of his performance, told in between his dialogues someone to stop their phone because it was constantly ringing. And what a disrespect that is. I mean, A, you're disturbing the performer, the actor. They completely lose track of what's going on. B, the entire audience gets affected, right? We all become very irritated when something like this happens, and it's something so trivial. At least respect the artist. You've paid so much money, whatever money you've paid, please come attend the play. So I just feel really bad. Anupam Kher, Neena Gupta and Rakesh Bedi were like these 16-year-old kids in college, you know. They were so full of energy. It makes me feel like I really want to go back on stage, you know. It reminds me of my school and college days. There's a lot of power in performance. I was crying like a baby. The dialogues were brilliant, and the delivery, I could keep going on and on raving about it. To be honest with you, I have always wanted to be on stage in front of the screen, whether in movies or in dramas, and every time I attend a play, I feel like I'm getting one step closer to my dream. One day I'm soon going to be there. I don't know, there's something about plays and movies that really attracts me. Let's see what happens. I'll keep you posted. Wishing you guys happy food, happy play performances, and a very happy time in your lives. I'll see you in my next vlog. If you liked this video, if you liked this vlog, please give it a thumbs up. You have to let me know, alright? You have to let me know. Please give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe to the channel, very important. The Sindhi girl, so pretty. Subscribe to the channel and let me know in the comments below which part was your favorite from this video. And I'll see you in my next video. So much love. Bye.